Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you are looking for a new book for your kid, then I highly recommend this one, Maisy's Recycling Truck. Maybe your child is obsessed with trucks and loves to see the garbage truck goes by or the recycling truck go by. This is a great way to explain to them what you recycle and what happens after you recycle. So it's a cute book. The story is Maisy and Tallulah are in the recycling truck and they're going through the neighborhood and they're picking up different things. But what's really nice about this book is it shows what they're gathering. And some of the things that they're gathering are glass jars, cardboard, juice containers, yogurt cups, and by the end of it, it tells you that it's going to be recycled and made into new things. It also has the pictures here of what goes in each bin. And so it's a really nice way to get your child to understand recycling and also be excited about it. And another great feature is that the book is also made in the shape of a truck. That's just my point of view.